Hi everyone, so right here we are in the IT closet here, and we're going to be installing the network cables and everything. Now we got those pretty much already installed, but as you can see here, they're kind of a little bit painted here just slightly because of the dust and stuff in the room, but we're going to get that cleaned up and wipe them down and everything. But we got our Cat 5 cable. I got my blue for my computers. It's going to each room, and then the green is going to be for the access points and cameras, so we can easily identify them. I got a full wall here, my plywood on one side, so that way we can kind of pick and choose what section that we want to put it in. We could have done it just over here, but I wanted just in case I need to, put some more stuff up there. Now I got my tool kits here. Got my drill, so I can drill this up here on the wall. I got my wall unit bracket mount. This right here I got from Amazon, and this U-all basically comes with the screws, bolts, and everything inside the box. But it's for a 8-unit mount, so that means when you buy your network equipment, it's either in 1U or 2U, which means it takes up 1 unit or 2 units. But if you see 1 unit on there, that means it just takes up 1 slot, but it can fit up to 8 devices, 8 1-unit devices up there, or 4 2-unit devices. And then this is my little kit right here that I got for my hard case. So hold all the equipment. Got my cables, got my phone, which the foam I was using up there, which I don't like using it. I know it's supposed to help with the fire and stuff, but when you need to run cable and re-pull cable, you don't want to have to keep filling that up and up again. Then I got my hammers, bridle rings, knee pads, lasers. I got my Cat 6 equipment here for the RJ45 key jacks, grommets, toning kits and everything. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll tune back into you all soon.